What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. This is going to be episode 2 for the brand new Overland series. Today we're going to be venturing out into the Uinta Mountains, and I'm going to do my first shakedown run of the 23-0 Walkabout 72 rooftop tent. The 4Runner is absolutely loaded. We've got everything inside here. As you can tell, we've got our brand new jerry can, Yeti. I brought my RC car and then a bunch of flashlights, so that's going to be super fun. But yeah, we're just doing a one-nighter camping trip. Ashley does want to go to the farmer's market, so we'll be getting some fruit and veggies there. I have to run to the store to get some firewood, and then I guess we'll see that. There she is. There's that beautiful woman. Say hi.
Hi. You knew that was the answer.
I'm gonna vlog the farmer's market.
No, he's not.
Yep. See you guys there. We're here at the farmer's market.
Sausage and bacon.
Boom. So many people around here. So we just got done at the farmer's market. Got some wooden utensils. Well, we're driving to Best Buy to get a portable speaker, and then I need to get ice and wood. So we'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, now I can air down. Okay, so we're testing out the ARB air system. Let's give this thing a shot. I'm gonna air down to like 20, 22. All right, we made it to our campsite. Check this out. We've got trees all around us. Gonna set up the fire pit here, and then I'm gonna show you guys how long it takes to open up that rooftop tent, maybe do a quick time lapse, and then show you guys what's going on inside after we get set up. So this is inside the annex. It's a pretty large one. I mean, you can just see it has a bunch of screens here. I'll show you in here. Nice and cozy. Let me do this real quick. I had installed these string lights all throughout the tent. So yeah, there's camp. Well, you guys know what it's like when we go to sleep, and then I guess when we wake up. For now, we're just gonna hang out. So I have a bunch of other pride and joys, and basically this is my other hobby. This is my Axial SEX 10, and it is pretty much a custom Jeep. Put a lot of time and effort into it. One of the lights is like acting up, but yeah. Basically it has like a bunch of custom parts on it. We've got custom wheels, custom tires. We've got a winch built into it. This thing has a rear tire assembly, custom bumpers. Yeah, it was an entire kit, and it's really capable. Like, you can literally bring this on a full-blown hike. Yeah, I have a bunch of hobbies. RC is one of them. I haven't actually brought this one out in a long time, so it's really fun to just, you know, bring it camping and wheel, I guess. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna just chill by the campfire, and then tomorrow morning I'll again let you know how we slept in the rooftop tent from 23-0. It's just a wonderful place to be. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy it. So I guess we'll catch you in the morning. Good morning. So we just had a pretty decent night. I think Ashley wanted to have a memory foam mattress and apparently I was hogging the bed. But overall we slept pretty decent in the 23.0 walkabout 72. It's kind of early morning right now. I'm gonna make some breakfast. The camera battery is actually about to die. And I think I'm gonna get some drone footage. But it was pretty decent. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we got the 4Runner packed up. Closing down the tent wasn't super hard, but packing up the 4Runner was. I'm getting some food here at Smashburger with Ashley. And yeah, the 4Runner is absolutely riddled. This was just kind of like the shakedown run. I think I do want to add in a mattress pad on the top, just because we're used to our plush bed at home. So I think that's just going to make it a lot more comfortable. But with the 23.0 rooftop tent, the Walkabout 72 specifically is a fantastic tent, had lots of good sleep. And the best thing is we were able to sleep in, which doesn't happen very often when we go camping. Aside from that, stay tuned. We'll have more videos coming here soon. If you like this content, go ahead, throw me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when that next video is live. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.